Hello everyone. We are still going to discuss about decision-making analysis course, and in this video tutorial, we would like to discuss about assignment. So this is, before we discuss it, I just want to take you somewhere, see the beautiful of one city or one view from the city in Canada. So this is the appearance. They try to paint their house in color to prevent an accident or to make it show or appear during the winter, especially in the snow time. Okay, so let's start. Okay, I give you the chapter. Yeah, we use the quantitative analysis for management and edition book by Render, Ster, and Hannah, and the PowerPoint was created by Jeff Hare. This is an assignment model. I would like to describe or point some important thing about assignment. Let's see, the first thing, this is most efficient assignment of resources. So if we have resources, then we want to assign all of those resources, then maybe we need this subject or this idea. And in assignment model or assignment problem, there is one important characteristic or important things that we have to remember. This is represented in this slide in the third point. It says that one important characteristic is one of assignment problem is that only one job or one worker that can be assigned to one machine or one project. So the idea is 1 to 1. One person to one project, one machine to solve one problem, etc. But the idea is 1 and 1 only. That's the most important thing in this assignment problem case. This is also the part or special purpose algorithm in linear programming. So the idea is not quite far different from the previous tutorial in analyzing quantitative method. And in this assignment model, we use the procedure called Hungarian method. So Hungarian method is the idea behind the assignment model. Usually, the assignment model is associated with table or matrix. So there are a table or there is a matrix with column and line. Generally, the row contain object or people, while the column, the task or thing, and the number inside the table is associated with cost or profit or any value that related to the case. The last one is the most important. Its source is 1 and the demand, its destination is 1. Assignment problem can be viewed as also transportation problem if we see it from the transportation, but we will not discuss about transportation in this subject because it's already covered by the other subject. This is the example or the case of assignment model. So there is a shop called Fix It, and then this shop has 3 rush projects. They have 3 repair persons. So there are 3 projects and 3 persons. So in this assignment, the main objective is just want to find out which project for which person, or which person do what project. Very simple. And the objective is the owner want to estimate which cost, so they can reach the lowest cost. This is lowest cost. Its project will be assigned exclusively to one worker. One worker, one project. One person, one job. That's the idea. So this is the combination, or this is the matrix. There are 3 persons. Their name are Adam, Brown, and Cooper, ABC. And there are 3 projects. Project 1, 2, and 3. This is how you read or interpret the table. So there are 3 projects, project 1, 2, and 3. If we assign Adam to project 1, so the cost is 11. Adam for project 2 is 14. Adam for project 3 is 6. The objective is to find or assign the lowest cost project for each person. So for Adam, actually, absolutely, he must be assigned for project 3 because the cost is the lowest one compared with the other project that he can do. So for the Brown, the lowest is 8, project 1. And Cooper, the lowest cost is for project 3. But we have to remember that one person only exclusively do one project. So in this case, we cannot assign Adam and Cooper in project 3 because that project make the same thing for Adam and Cooper will result in the lowest cost, $6 and $7 compared with Adam. So we cannot do that. So the thing that we need to do is to assign Adam and Cooper to different projects that give result in the lowest cost. So the one alternative that we can do manually is combine those 3 persons in different projects. So Adam for 1, Brown, Cooper, and then switch Cooper and Brown and keep Adam in project 1, etc. until the combination or all the combination already made. And then we calculate the labor cost for each combination. Adam for 1 is $11 plus Brown for project 3. Project 2, is $10 and Cooper for project 3 is $7. And we calculate or accumulate all those costs. It becomes 28, and then for the second combination is become 34, etc. And choose for the total cost the lowest one. The lowest one is $25. So we have to assign Cooper in project 1, Brown project 2, and Adam project 3. That's the idea. Find the combination and choose the lowest one. Besides using manual method, we can use the Hungarian method, or the technique that called as flat technique.